So a hot trend right now that we're seeing used in high-end fashion collections, it's up and down the runway. It's called pattern blocking. It's where you're using 2 or more patterns to create one look. The key to pattern pairing is to identify 2 or more colors that run throughout all patterns that you're using within the look. Blazer that we are pairing with a black and white stripe blouse. So here we're identifying the 2 colors they have in common, which is black and white. Another element they have in common are running lines. There you have it. This is a fun trend to try because you can pair animal prints with geometric shapes, florals with plaids, and you can also try pairing different fabric surfaces. This legging features a suede panel that runs along the front. These 2 fabric surfaces together is very luxe. So our pattern pairing and our textile pairing together will give you that lovely, chic, on-trend look. I want you to try it. See you in the next video.